importance of sitting outside and basking in the sun, even just for a little minute, until you are in a cold country like Norway and you're craving for the sun. This is how my life has been lately, and I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shykoh. We are going running in the woods, just enjoying a walk by the woods, and I'm so happy to bring you along. So stay tuned, subscribe and like the video, share with your friend, and let's get straight into it. Guys, we're here. Yeah, the orange stuff, that's an outdoor gym with equipment where you can go and work out, and it's free for everyone. And then I think that's where we are gonna access the woods and go walking and running on that side.
We live a lush life, champagne, gold rain. We get to be everything that we wanna be. Running that red light, slide through, fast car, Malibu. I just want you only with me. Now what you wanna do, go to the movies. We could buy a banana, make a strawberry.
So guys, we've come to the top, but we are still going up. But it's so nice. We were down there and we followed the road all the way here, and you can see the beautiful views. And here is a place you can rest. How beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Right now I'm wishing I was a photographer. Guys, there's actually a cabin over there. Can you imagine how awesome it would be going there, swimming here and fishing? So beautiful. From here you can see the cabin clearly over there, and there is the lake. So if you're living in the cabin, you can come fishing here. You can also go hunting, I guess, in the forest. So nice. There's plenty of firewood. I just love how Norway has conserved their nature, their forests. It's possible diving from there into the water and swimming. Started here and ended on that side, and we are back to the parking lot where we parked, and that's the outdoor gym for someone who maybe feels energized to do some extra exercises. But the whole track is like 5 kilometers, and it's beautiful. It's like 20 degrees, but right now it's 6:30 p.m. so it's like windy, and you feel so good when running. I had an amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed the views. After running, we've come to the mall. Went to take coffee, and then also go to the supermarket to get some things for the house. Yeah, I'm getting this. It's a very cute storage thing that I'll be putting my jewelry and stuff, and it's on offer at only 40 krona. That's around 500 shillings, and it's so cute. And there's also a bigger size, but I think this is good enough. They really have cool stuff over here. Like, Wow. For example, look at this chair. It's 250 krona, down from 400. So that's like 3,000 for this chair. That is so good. And this one is 500, but it's gold metallic. And this is 300, which is like, that's like 3,500. Guys, we actually have some cows here. Can you see? Can you believe it's 7:30 p.m. and the sun is out? Amazing. I'm so happy for this because this jewelry has been out, so I can now put it here, and it's such a cute thing. I'm gonna show you something cool, how they do it here with their bread. Perfect. This is another beautiful place that I went to for training, jogging, and all that. It's such a beautiful track with amazing views of the river. Sometimes you can see a lot of people walking along here with their dogs, but other times it's just deserted. But I honestly really love how beautiful Norway is and how clean it is. So next, let me give you guys a tour of Ikea, some sort of mini haul and tour of how it looks like inside. We went here to buy some storage box that we needed for the house, and they have really nice options which were really going for good prices. So this is the particular one that we got 3 of these, and they were quite nice, and it's good quality, and they're going for 149 crowns. But there were so many options. And then I actually found out that you can buy like everything you need in a house at Ikea, whether it's sinks, doors, gosh, anything, name it, they have everything, and the prices are amazing. Like this table was 279, which is like 3,000 shillings. And then an interesting fact here is you scan your things by yourself. There are no cashiers. I really loved the showrooms where it's like they have a display of kitchen, bedroom, like everything you need in a house. They have a showroom for that, and they've organized them in like real houses, and it was so amazing to see. Guys, I'll give you a perfect example of a bed sitter. So this is the entrance, the walkway, and here there is some storage space. Then a mirror here. On this side is you can like put a storage space for shoes, hanging coats and stuff like that. Then when you come here is a toilet. This is like a very small room, but everything is fitting perfectly, and they have made maximum use of it. Then this is the sink, and on top of it is like storage spaces where you can put lotions and stuff like that. Here is a laundry bag, washing machine, all, and here is like storage space as well. And here is the shower, like really tiny but so perfect. And you see, this is just like a corridor, but maximum use of it. Then when you come here, they have used this small thing to, I don't know what it's called, like a gypsum, but it's not gypsum. Then here is a small kitchen. This is so perfect. Yeah, that's the kitchen with a lot of storage space up, and most creative ways of storing. And also on this side Look at that. And there is like a reading area. And then when you come here, remember here's the bathroom. And here is like, but there guys, this is like storage space. When you can slide it like that, and you have a lot of space, and you can close it to make it look like a wall, so no one would know your clothes are there. And then this is the telly. I'll give you a better view. And when you come here, a chair, storage space, a small separation, and here you have the bed. And look at that. So this is the other side. These are extra chairs hung on the wall. So this showroom for this particular it's like a studio, shows you how you can furnish a studio, and of course you can be able to buy any of the items in this showroom. How amazing. Guys, you might think this is just a wall, but let me show you the magic. You can actually convert this to a bed, as you can see on that video. I really loved this wall, the fireplace, the round mirror. I'm definitely gonna copy this one day. Around 70,000 Kenya shillings, you can get all these things, and they are displayed in this room. How amazing. Like, you can just come here and copy, and if you have a small space, you can get ideas on how to furnish your small space. I was literally mind blown, being that this was the first time I went to Ikea. There are so many things I would like to buy there, and I can't wait to do that in future, like for when I have a home and everything. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, share, like. I will see you on the next one. Bye.